Kababo, Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Hannah Marielle's Bakes and Cake. We have some deliciously looking cakes, some brownies, we have some Yama products as well. So let me introduce them to you one by one. Samahan niyo po ako. Okay, so first off guys, I have my lucky spoon here. I'm gonna taste this Choco Yama Cake. So this tin can is actually 280 pesos. Wow. So you have your cake as pinaka base and then parang mayroong chocolate fudge and then on top is of course yung yema natin. So yung next cake natin is called Chocolata Cake. So this is their version of the dream cake. Whoa. Oh wow, ang sarap, grabe. You have the base cake and then you have a really thick chocolate fudge and then on top is like a brittle chocolate, drizzled with some chocolate powder. So another product that made them really well known is yung kanilang Yama cake. Yeah, yung pinaka-base natin of course is like what do you call it? Parang chiffon cake, parang ganun. Oh wow! Oh wow! Wow! Wife ko, mas fan siya sa mga pastillas delicacies, but right now while I'm tasting this, grabe. You gotta taste this one. You gotta order this one. Yama cake is only 300 pesos and the dream cake naman is 350 pesos. This is called Choco Bolas. For the 15 pieces, it's just 190 pesos. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Oh, Choco Bolas. Choco Bolas. Wow. Oh wow. The chocolate is so soft, so smooth. Napaka-pure ng mga ingredients natin. So another product that they sent us, fudgy brownies nila and yung butterscotch bars. I think I'm gonna try for now yung kanilang butterscotch. Very traditional. You have your, some nuts on the surface. It's so chewy, so gooey. Hindi ito yung butterscotch bar na almost flaky. So this one's really gooey and chewy. So another products, these are their Yama Cookies. Each is 120 pesos, approximately 28 pieces per bottle tayo. Yan. Let's open it. You have your parang sweet and creamy cookie. And in the middle, you have your parang Yama paste or Yama filling. So another product that they really take pride of, and as a matter of fact, this is kumbaga registered in IPO as their original product is called Yamaroon. So from the name itself, again, these are macaroons inspired delicacies, and mga flavor nila are mostly, of course, Yama. Wow. So in the middle, it actually has a filling. Yan, so meron siyang palaman in the most middle part of the macaroon. Of course, it's Yama. Lastly, in the middle is called the mini cake rolls. If I may guess yung mga flavors nila, you have chocolate, you have ube, this is a mocha, this is pandan, and this is a Yama. Oh, wow! Grabe ang sarap. Super duper. I think I'm gonna like this one, no? So again, the texture is not dry, it's super moist. Let's try the other flavors. I guess this is a mocha, no? Pero tingnan natin. Wow! Grabe ang sarap. For this box, for the 5 flavors, this is 240 pesos. Again, super lovely. So the owner of Hannah Marielle's, Miss Rachel, is coming from a family of bakers. So been into baking since 2010. Although in 2018, she started to establish this, brand niya. Previously featured sa Channel 7, Unang Hirit and Umagang Kay Ganda. So congratulations to you guys. Thumbs up to you. These products are actually available sa Eats Papa and Mangan.ph. If you download those order and delivery apps, you can check them out. So yung mga products po nila are available there. Do a personal delivery or meetup. They are located po sa Pulong Bulu, Angeles City. And also watch out. According to our orientation with the owners, this coming Valentine's season, Valentine's month or Valentine's Day, some cakes will be available in a heart shape. So, a little bit extra push, a little bit extra effort for your gift. Your gift will mean so much to your loved ones. So, again, add this to your list. Make sure to check out Hannah Marielle's Cakes and Bakes. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga, guys. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to support local, and I'll see you in the next video. See you there. Bye. Ooh.